excited to show you my app Insight Extractor. Basically, it helps you optimize emails based on, whichever option you choose, decrease bounce rate, improve CTR, or improve open rate. So this is what the main flow looks like. I have my user inputs here. So they have to put in what we need for the email, subject line, preview text, and email copy, just so you can see it over here as well. This is what all those user inputs look like. And then it takes you to this menu where you choose what you want to optimize here. And I'm going to take you through the open rate flow. Just so you know, also, it does have data sources. It's average statistics for each of those, bounce rate, CTR, and open rate, and then copy suggestions for each of them as well, just so it has something to query that is optimal. And then I also have a section where it's a URL scraper. I used Mind Studio's helper app for helping me write this code for that. So that's the custom function. It actually scrapes a URL based on, and it'll help you optimize based on the copy of that URL. If there's a URL whose writing style you want to emulate, let's say. So if I were to take you through the main flow, as I said, it starts with that user input. And then they go to this menu where they choose what they want to optimize. I'm going to take you through the open rate flow, which looks like this. And so it starts with the user input of the URL that we want to scrape, of the style of the copy that we want to emulate, because we already have the other information about the email that they want to optimize. This is the run function where it'll actually scrape that URL. Then it queries the data source of the average statistics, and also queries the data source of copy suggestions for improving an open rate. And then this is just my prompt for using the information with those variables and then writing the email in this way. I was really, really clear with my markdown here, which I'm very proud of. And then, of course, the end the end result is a chat box, but it'll spit out the right information of what that should look like. So if we look at a polished version, this is what it is. And I have some like pre-written copy here that we can use from an actual email that I wanted to optimize. So if I go to a new one here, what's the subject line? What is the preview text? And then what is the full email copy? I'm going to choose increase open rate. And then a website that I really like that I would like to emulate is gorgeous.com. I love the way their copy is written, and I would like the copy in this email to be optimized closer to looking like their style of copy. And then this is what it spits out, an optimized version of my email. So this is a more optimized subject line, preview text, and email body text, but it's optimized with the idea of it wants to optimize an open rate. It's different for bounce rate, and it'll be different for a CTR as well. So for the most part, with the open rate, it does focus on the subject line and the preview tests. But regardless, I'm sure I can already see the changes in here that it made. So that is my app. I'm extremely proud of it. I know I have both of my data sources. I have the custom function. I think I have everything that I need in order to graduate here. But I hope you enjoyed it, and we can always talk about it if you need to. So thank you.